The snappers are ready. Could be able to see the batsman change his mind with that. Free hit again. He smashed it. He smashed it, Miles. Wow, it's right on top of the roof. That would have gone into the golf course. It might have gone into the golf course. On the roof, bounced over the top, into the golf course, and it's not a hole in one, but it deserves more than 6. Goodness gracious me. Sensational stuff from Afridi.
Absolutely, that's a huge hit. It's gone over the stadium roof. Was ready for the pitched up delivery and has given it a big donk. 4.6, no ball, wide, 6. It's been a big over.
There are times when a shot deserves more than 6. I think it's on the green.
He's just teed off. He's ready for the delivery.
I think he likes it too. I think that's worth another look. Just trying to read his lips here, Afridi. Let's just have a look. Let's see if I can read his lips as he watches this one go. I reckon I might have picked something up in the microphone saying it's in the hole, it's in the hole. Wow.
As good as a shot, as good as a camera work as well. Just catching it right till the end.
And the boys are all over it. He's grandstanding at the moment. Afridi, what a performance.